Hey you guys, it's Sydney. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a, battle of the deep conditioners, because I've been getting a lot of questions about what's your favorite, why do you use a protein one, what's the difference between protein and moisture. I have the Devacurl Deep Sea Repair Mask and the Devacurl Melt into Moisture. Now, the Melt into Moisture has matcha green tea butter, 100% sulfate, silicone, paraben free. All DevaCurls products are. It says if your natural hair is prone to extreme dryness, this mask is for you. It's very creamy and thick. What does it do? It nourishes dehydrated curls. It won't weigh your hair down. It melts into every strand, and it literally does. Like, if you all have seen my deep condition routine, this with the Kirko, it's like butter. Like, it just glides through your hair. And you can just feel it in your curls. Like, yes, it is amazing. Deep Sea Repair. Notice the word repair. So, if your hair is damaged, if your hair, like your curls are not looking right, and you need something to like get that bounce back, Deep Sea Repair. It says, is it for you? If heat styling chemical treatments are not so gentle detangling, have done a number on your curls, this is for you. What does it do? It's made with seaweed, a strengthening blend of rice, soy, and wheat proteins, and moisturizing sea lavender. Transforms damaged hair. It's for all curl types and leaves curls looking healthy, bouncy, and defined. So this one is a protein treatment. Now, the difference between protein and moisture: if you have too much protein, your hair can become brittle and dry. But if you have too much moisture, your hair just looks limp and it's like soft almost. When it's wet, it's real weird. I've never experienced too much of either. I always try and keep a balance. But I know back in the day, I used like protein all the time, but it didn't really damage my hair at all. But that's before I knew anything. So anyways, we are gonna put these two to the test and see which one works better. Keep on watching to see how I apply these products. I just washed my hair and now it's time to deep condition. Y'all know how we do once a week. So I'm just gonna section my hair down the middle because I'm doing a comparison between the Devacurl Deep Sea Repair and the Devacurl Melt into Moisture Mask. This first side, I'll be using the Devacurl Melt into Moisture. This one smells so good and it's super thick, but I figured why not use it on this side because I feel like this side needs more moisture. So you all already know I section my hair off to apply my deep conditioner. So after that's all applied, we're just going to twist it up to preserve the curl and help train your curls. This technique is very good for people who are transitioning. If your curls are not doing right or you feel like they're not curling right, you can try to twist it up. If you've seen my other deep condition routine, this one is pretty similar. I just didn't use my steamer today, but you know what, that's alright. But you can see that this mask detangles very well, and I'm just getting every little section that I can and twisting it up. Now it's time for the Devacurl Deep Sea Repair Mask. I love this one, but I haven't tried it like by itself before, so I've always paired it with the Melt into Moisture. But I feel like this side of my hair isn't curling as well as it should, so it might need some protein. So we will see. We're going to put this mask to the test to see how it does. Once again, I'm working in sections, you all already know, but I love this mask too. It's a lot thicker than the Melt into Moisture, but I feel like it still gives my hair some slip. I've been wanting to do this video for a really long time now, especially since I got my hair cut. I just want to see how the comparison will be with the Melt into Moisture versus the Deep Sea Repair. You're probably wondering why I'm doing so many sections on this side. I'm just doing that because since my hair is not curling right on this side, it's a better way to train your curls and make sure you get the best result. Now that it's all applied, we're just going to put on our shower cap. Just make sure all that's in there. And then I'm taking my thermal hot head cap that's microwavable, and you just warm it up for 45 on each side. And it's like a portable dryer, you guys. I love this. So if you haven't checked it out, go get you one. Alright, I will be back in 20 minutes. I've just rinsed out my deep conditioner, and here's how it's looking so far. They both are really soft and feel real good. Now I'm taking my DevaCurl bead leave-in. Absolutely love this stuff. It's supposed to help clump your curls. So if you need something that, if you like your curls more clumped, try this product out. Next, I'll be using the DevaCurl Super Cream. I absolutely love this stuff. It's the coconut cream styler. It's pretty thick, so if your hair is fine, make sure you don't use too much of this. But I always get great results with this product. Lastly, I'm taking the DevaCurl Archangel Gel. If you've seen my favorite products video, you know that this is one of my go-to gels. It is so smooth on the hair, and it makes sure it clumps your curls and leaves them defined. I'm just doing that in sections on both sides of my head. It's pretty simple, so I'm going to just speed up the rest of the video for you all. Now that all the products are applied, we're just going to start scrunching our hair to get our curls defined. Here's how the curls are looking. I think they look pretty good. So now we're going to wait for it to dry. Alright, you guys, so my hair is 100% dry. I did the deep sea repair on this side, melt into moisture on this side. But since I did part it down the middle in the video, I'm going to go ahead and part it kind of down the middle so we can see a comparison, if there is one. Okay, so melt into moisture, deep sea repair. The deep sea, which claims to have curls defined and looking good. And here is the melt into moisture. So from what these claim, melt into moisture leaves curls shiny and silky soft. Yeah, I see that shine. And then this one is supposed to be defined. So, from what I can see, I feel like the melt into moisture is more defined. But I really like the volume on this side. And for some reason, I like my curls to be separated. So I'm gonna have to go with the deep sea repair. But I don't know, like, it depends on my mood if I want defined curls or more like volume and like carefree curls. So I think it just depends on your personal preference. But with my hair, since it's raw, it doesn't really need like protein or moisture. That's why I try to pair these together, because I get really good results. But overall, I think both of these masks are really good. So let me switch my part back over. I mean, it's not like you can tell, So yeah, those were the battles of the deep conditioners. Let me know what you think of this video and what you think of my results. And let me know if you want to see more videos like this where I'm comparing the same brand or two different brands. So just let me know. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.